We need to calculate the area and the perimeter for this shape. All right. So the first thing I need to realize is that this entire shape here is a fraction of a circle. It's a fraction of a circle. This is a part of a circle. So that means if I want to work out the area, I've got to take a fraction of the entire area. So I need the entire area, which is pi r squared, and I need to cut out that part over there, but I need to know what fraction that is. How do I find out what fraction this is? Any ideas? Here's a hint. A whole circle is 360 degrees. What will this fraction be of the whole circle? Cool, I got a suggested answer. 23 out of 36. Let's have a look at this now. Angles around a point get up to 360. So what will this angle be? If this is 130 and this is something and they both add up to 360, and this angle has to be 230, right? So that means this fraction is going to be 230 out of 360, which is 23 out of 36. So well done. 23 out of 36. That's the fraction there. If that's 23 out of 36, that means this side is 13 out of 26. So I've basically got a circle and I've got two parts. I've got 23 of 36 and I've got 13 out of 36. Now, what I need is the entire area. The entire area, now this is what we're trying to calculate first. The area is going to be given by pi r squared. So pi times radius squared. What's my radius? 20. So that comes to 400 pi. I now got to take a fraction out. So I've got to write down that fraction, which we said was 23 out of 36. That's this fraction of the entire circle. And I'm going to multiply that by 400 pi. So that comes to 23 over 36 multiplied by 400 pi, which will get you 802, which will get you 802.85 meters squared. And that will be this part over here. All right, so this whole area over here is going to be 802.85 meters squared. Let's go to perimeter now. For perimeter, I also use that 23 out of 36. But perimeter is made up of three parts. This side, and this side. So I've got to add those three sides together. Let me just show you again. I've got to take the perimeter is going to be this side plus this side plus the fraction of the circumference. Now we know what these two sides are. These two sides are the same. This is 20 and this is 20. They're both radii of the circle. So therefore, this is also 20 meters. So the perimeter is going to be 20 plus 20. So I'm done with those two sides. Now I need to find this whole other part here, and it's going to be a fraction of a circumference now. What fraction? 23 out of 36 of 2 pi r. You could use 2 pi r, or you could use pi times d. Which one should we use here? Because we have the radius, not the diameter, We don't have to use pi times d. So we'll use 2 pi r. And what is r? R is 20. R is 20. And that is my formula. So that's going to be this side. That's going to be that side. And this is the outer side over here. So let's add it up now. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus this. Let's put this on a calculator. Fraction button. 23 36 multiplied by 2 pi times 20. And that'll come to 80.28. 80.28. Which will be 120.28 meters, and that's your perimeter. How many of you think you can do something like this? Thumbs up, put a thumbs up, or type yes, or me, or definitely, or something. Thumbs up, you think you can do something like this? How many of you want me to quickly go through it again? Yeah? Alright, let's go through it one more time. Have a look here. Where did that all start? Started like this, right? Calculate area and perimeter. What was the first thing I did? The first thing I did was I said, okay, let's calculate the area. The area is based on the entire circle. The circle is pi r squared. So I work out the whole circle area. That came to 400 pi for the whole circle. I needed to find the fraction, that fraction over there. In order to find that fraction over there, I needed to take 130 and divide it, minus it from 360 to get 230, and 230 over 360 is 23 over 36. So I know I needed to find that fraction there, 23 out of 36. And I took that fraction and multiplied it by the area of the whole circle to get a fraction of the circle, which is 802.85. Now remember, 400 pi is a big number. Didn't really write it here, but 400 pi is like 1,000 something. So a fraction 802 sounds right. That took me to perimeter after that. That was it. Okay. Perimeter. I needed to add 3 sides here. 20, 20, and the same fraction of the circumference formula. 20 plus 20 was 40, and the fraction of the circumference is 80.28. When I add it up, it comes 120.28. Okay.